So I'd like to talk about infographic poster using InDesign, but the components for the infographic poster will be created from Illustrator. For example, like this graph here, I will use the ellipse tool. Press Shift, you can hold it and create like that. Okay. And after that, the color is not important, so I'll just uh, do it without any colors for now. But I will use D key using this basic color here. So I'll just press one more like that and one more like this. And after that, you can select them all. You can actually center it vertically and horizontally. And after that, I will draw the diagonal line like this. You don't need to worry about centering that one. Even though you have that one like this, don't worry. Select them all. You can use this one again. And after that, if you want to create the diagonal line on this side here as well, right click on it, you can find the transform and reflect. But over here, press the copy key, not just click OK, then you'll be created one more, like so. And also, you can create the vertical line here, like so, and also the horizontal line here by pressing Shift key here. But always, as I already told you, select them all and do this. Then everything will be well aligned. Then after that, select them all together. I will remove the inside part here. So to do that, you are supposed to use this shape builder and press Option key or on Mac or Alt on Windows, you will remove it. And after that, select them all again. Then you need to go to this Pathfinder. You need to do this divide. Then everything will be divided. Everything will be divided. Okay, everything will be divided like so. And you see, that one is one object. Each one is one object. Okay, so you can actually paint it. You can paint it whatever color you want, like so. Over here, sorry, I'll use this color and that one. But whenever you do that Control key or Command key, you can select that one, like so, and you can change the color. And at the same time, you can apply this color, same color here as well. And Command key, click, again, I key, sample it, Command key, Control key, eyedropper, like so. And also at this over here, you can apply another color there on. So Command key, Control key, you can apply this gray color here. Okay, like so. And after that, you will apply this one to this one over here as well. Command Control, I key, like so. Command Control, I key, like so. And after you do that, you can actually remove all the actually stroke over here. You can remove it and it will look like this one. Okay. And everything is individual using the direct selection tool that you can do this. Like so. So this part here, I can move it down using this Shift can hold it. Oh, sorry, I'm not supposed to do that. Okay. So over here, as you see, you can just go back towards the original one here. Okay, I'll just do this one more time. Select them all. Oh, I'll go back to normal. That color changes for some reason. Yeah. And after that, I'll select them all. And I will remove the stroke color. And after that, using the direct selection tool, you can move it around, right? You can move it around. So even this one over here, I already told you, you can use the place button inside InDesign using the shortcut key of Control D or Command D, or you can just copy it and you can bring it into your file like so. So just copy and paste it, Control V or Command V. If you do, you can actually, using the direct selection tool, you can move it, and even you can change the color, like so. This is how you create the graph, and you can edit it inside your InDesign. And I'll just show you another tool. For example, you can use this rectangle. I'll just make that on this rectangle here. And after that, I'll just make that one rounded. And I will just change the color of this one to something bluish. Something bluish. Or you can change that one from here, like so. And after that, I will just copy and paste Command D or Control D, and it will be like that. Then after that, go to Window, Symbols. So symbol is here. I'll just bring this here, this, that, and this one over here. And after that, I'll just use the break link here as well. That one also break link and break link, and select them all. I will change the color to white. Okay, white. Then I can just move that on to here. And after that, I will select this symbol here. I will select this symbol. Oh, by the way, to do that, I'll just use this one and this one and this one together. I'll select it. I will center it. But if you do, that one changes only the outside one. I will do that one and this one too as well. Like so. And this one over here will be shift to the right of it. So even you can group it, and also this one and this, I will group it. And this one and this one, group it as well. And after that, this one and this one and this one will be distributed like so. And after that, select them all, copy, you can bring it to your InDesign. Okay. I'll create a new one, create it, will be there. And you can change the color here as well, like so. Any color, you can do that. This is how you edit the infographic poster components that actually was created from Illustrator program, and also from the Illustrator. I'll just create a new one. New. So if you go to new, and you can find the free template, you can search for world map. World map. You can even include the world map here. So over here, even you can filter it only showing the free map. So for example, those are free map. So those are free map. So I can download this one over here. So that one, I will just use a standard license continue. So that one has been downloaded. So I'll use JPG or PNG. Sometimes the vector file is also available. And after that, you can bring this one to, okay, I'll just copy that one. I'll just put it here in your InDesign file over here. File new document, paste. Oh, sorry, not that way. I will use Command D because that one is JPG file. I'll just go to download and you can bring that one over here, like so. But sometimes you can download the vector file as well. Okay. So for example, probably I can find that one over here. World map again. If you go down, probably you'll find not only template free one, you can find a different one, not just images, vector files here. If you filter it, so that means those are vector file. For example, that one. So you can just re-download for free because I think I already downloaded, that's why. So vector file, then you can use this vector file for your InDesign. I'll just open that one again. In this case, you can use that one over here. So I'll just go Command D, you can bring that one over here. Like so. If you do, you can edit it. But this time I will use Command D, show import options. So I will just apply it. I will use that, just click OK. And I will do this. And if you do, okay, I think it's better to do it this way then. Open that on an Illustrator. Okay, now it's here. So after you do that, you can actually remove the unnecessary items here and select those items, copy, then you can put it here. So Control V, Command V, now it's editable, like so. So you can change the color, or even you can edit the text, like so. So for example, this one over here, you can edit it. Everything is editable. You can change the color. For example, that one over here, you can change the color to different color, like so.